the world. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasma, zdravstvuyte, привет, bona, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello. Sincha, Yabosio, Teresa, Walaikum, Saskaka, Marhaban, Merhaba, Habiri, and Shalom, wherever you are around the world. Hello, hello, my name is Brunellesp. So, Makeup Revolution, I've got 3 new eyeshadows. Today, just for this video, I'm playing with just one of them. I'm just going to quickly show you the other ones. The one I'm going to play with is this one, so I'll leave that for the time being. And we are going to go into the other two. This one here is Carriage, which is Carriage is a leopard print palette with brown, copper and burgundy shades. It is so nice and so pretty. If I can get it open. I hope the lighting is right and you can see as well. I'm trying something different. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't do it justice here on the screen. Hopefully that is zoomed in, but it is lovely, really nice. And then you've also got this one here. Ooh, this one is Fierce, and Fierce is a tiger print palette with blazing orange, crimson and brown hues. And again, just bring it a little bit closer so you can have a look at the shades. They are stunning. All of these actually are stunning. The one that stood out for me, this one, is it this one though? Is it? No, the other one really stood out, but it's still really pretty. In real life, they're actually a lot prettier in real life than they are on camera, which is very unusual. But the one that really stands out for me is this one here, which is Integrity, which is zebra print palette filled with vibrant rainbow pigments. Pigments, people, pigment. Look at that, and it is stunning. It is so pretty. And yeah, so we are going to get started because I've got another video to film. I really want to do the bright green, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to get started, and the first shade is it's going to be this. Ooh, what should we start with? Orange. So I'm going to start off with this orange here. This one. And I'm just going to see how much pigment I'm using. A Morphe E23 brush. Do you know what? That's a little bit too wide. Let's change it for another. This one is just a cheap Morphe brush, but it hasn't got a name to it, but it's a bit more pointed. And hopefully you are close enough to be able to see the colors. So I'm just going to go with the orange. Ooh. Okay, one little tap. Look. That's it, camera. Well done, camera. Well done. So I'm just very gently. There's quite a bit of fallout. You have to be very gentle with it. And I'm just going to pack that. And by the way, on my eyes, I've got the P. Louise eye base in the shade number 5. So I'm just going to pack that in my crease and above it. Ooh, pigment. Oh yeah. So I'm just literally just packing the color in. No problem with it. Blending it, super easy, extremely pigmented. Look at that. So good. So moving on to the next shade, which is I'm using the brush from Zoeva, which is a 239 brush. And I'm just going to take the next shade, which is actually this dark gray on the corner here. And I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner of the eye. Okay, this one you need to go back in a few times to build it. But I don't want it too smoky. I don't want it too dark on the outer corner. So I'm just going to pack that. And then blend it slightly, taking it inward. Not adding any new products. I'm just going in with this BH Cosmetic brush in number 5, and I'm just going to gently buff it in, because I don't actually want it too dark. I just want a hint of smokiness on the outer corner of the eye. Going back in with the orange just on the outer corners of the eye because I've lost intensity a little bit. So I'm just going to go back in and intensify that. Now I'm going into the yellow and I'm using a Makeup Addiction Expert Blend brush, and I'm just going to run at the very top of the orange shade close to my brow bone. You guys might have noticed I don't normally put anything around my brow bone. I just don't like it. It makes me look like a drag queen. Not that there's anything wrong with the drag queens, but that's not the look I'm going for, so that's why I don't do it. But I'm just adding a little bit of that yellow around the edges of the orange. With the shimmers, I'm going to put this darker grey all over my lid. I'm going to try it with my finger and hopefully I don't dig this nail inside. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. That color is so easy to apply with your finger. It works just as well with a dry brush. It's fantastic. So soft, so smooth. I have nothing bad to say about it. So I'm going back in with this brush here and I'm just going to blend the edges because I don't want a cut crease kind of look. So just trying to blend everything in. I'm wondering if I should add the light purple shade just in the middle bit of the eye or leave it like this and leave it smoky. Do you know what? I think I'm going to leave it smoky like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, finish off the rest of my face. And just so you know, I'm going to put the orange underneath, and then I'm going to put this grayish blue on towards the closer part of my waterline. And smoke it out a little bit. I've just decided to go for the smoky look, I guess. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And yeah, I haven't done a smoky look for quite a while, so I'll see you guys very, very soon. Voila, this is my face all done. I am finished. Hopefully you can hear me because my neighbor's playing loud music. So with regards to this palette, £10 for the price, and you know, and you've got 18 shades. Quite a few pressed pigments over there, which means obviously that be mindful. Pressed pigments may cause some issues with some people. I don't normally get a problem with it, but for some people you may get an issue with it with your eyes, so be mindful of that. Also, I mean, come on, it is stunning. I just think that this palette, I don't know what it is about this palette, but the bright shades just really sing to me for some reason. They just they just do it for me. I mean, maybe it's because I've got all the colors of flags of my country in here. Vert, jaune, bleu, which obviously you've got the green here, and you also got the matte version there, and yellow, and you've got the blue. So maybe that's why, but for some reason I just love this palette. This one stood out to me more than the other ones, but actually I would probably recommend all the others as well. I am going to do another video, another look tomorrow with another palette, but yeah, I'm just, yes, I would recommend this. £10. I'm not gonna complain for the amount of eyeshadow, eyeshadows in there, and the pigmentation is just lovely. It really is, no problem whatsoever. Watch out for another video which is going to be just the swatches for all 3 eyeshadow palettes. So if you're just interested in the swatches, you can go and have a look at that. But for now, I would love you and leave you and let you carry on doing whatever on earth you were doing. I hope it was interesting.